Hi everyone, welcome to Modern Reliability. In this video, I will explain what synthetic monitoring is in Dynatrace and why it's important for modern DevOps and site reliability engineering teams. Synthetic monitoring helps organizations detect problems before users are impacted. Instead of waiting for customers to complain, teams can proactively test applications and services continuously. We will go through the basics, how it works, and a real world example. One of the biggest challenges in modern systems is that users often discover issues before IT teams do. For example, a website may become slow, APIs may start failing, or login workflows may stop working correctly. Traditional monitoring approaches are often reactive. Teams only investigate after incidents are reported. This creates poor customer experience and increases downtime. Organizations need a way to proactively test applications continuously, and that's where synthetic monitoring becomes very valuable. Synthetic monitoring simulates real user activity automatically at scheduled intervals. Instead of relying on actual user traffic, automated scripts test important workflows like logging into an application, searching products, submitting forms, or calling APIs. These tests can run every few minutes from different geographic locations. The goal is to identify issues early, measure performance, and ensure critical services remain available. This helps SRE and DevOps teams improve reliability and reduce production incidents. Dynatrace provides enterprise-grade synthetic monitoring capabilities. It allows teams to run automated tests 24 by 7 across applications and services. Dynatrace can execute tests from multiple global locations, helping organizations understand performance from different regions around the world. If response times increases or failures occur, Dynatrace generates alerts immediately. Teams can then investigate issues before large numbers of customers are impacted. Combined with observability dashboards and AI-powered insights, Dynatrace helps improve incident detection and response times significantly. Let's look at a simple real-world example. Imagine an e-commerce company that wants to monitor its login functionality. A synthetic test is configured to log into the application every 5 minutes from different regions such as the United States, Europe, and Asia. One day, response latency starts increasing because of a backend database issue. Dynatrace detects the slowdown immediately and alerts the SRE team automatically. Engineers can investigate and fix the issue before most customers even notice a problem. This is the power of proactive monitoring and modern reliability engineering. To summarize, synthetic monitoring helps organizations proactively detect applications and service issues before users are impacted. Dynatrace makes this process easier by providing automated testing, real-time alerting, global monitoring, and observability capabilities. For DevOps and SRE teams, synthetic monitoring is an important part of building reliable and scalable systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, subscribe to Modern Reliability for more content on DevOps, SRE, observability, cloud engineering, and modern infrastructure.